Hello, welcome guys. The one stop which helps you to buy best tech products is one and only from BuyTech. Let's go. This little soundbar delivers an impressive 50 watts of power. That's a lot for a device this compact. You'll get clear and immersive audio thanks to the 58mm drivers that pump out strong sound, whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming. Now, portability is key, and the GOVO GoSurround 320 has you covered with a 4,000 mAh battery. You're looking at long hours of playback without needing to recharge constantly, perfect for outdoor parties or movie marathons. And for those of you who love a bit of a visual show, this soundbar comes with dynamic multicolor LED lights. These aren't just any lights, they really set the mood. Whether you're hosting a party or just chilling with some tunes, let's enjoy the party. See how this speaker's vibrates. Wow! One thing I really appreciate about the GoSurround 320 is how easy it is to connect. If you want to buy, then feel free to click the link in description, then you direct it to Amazon page. Go with the link because there is a lot of duplicate stuffs.
Hope this video helps you to choose a best product. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye-bye.